welcome back to another video, and today we'll be learning about energy. Now, we have to measure everything, like time in seconds, hours, minutes, days, years, etc. So, the unit of measurement of energy is called joules, and it's what we use to measure energy, basically. It's represented with a small letter J, and we can turn that into kilojoules, or kJ for short. 1 kilojoule is equal to 1,000 joules. That's a lot of joules. Energy is needed to make stuff happen. Everything that happens around you, such as you breathing, it requires energy. Nothing can move without energy. Nothing at all, actually. Now, here's an example of energy being used in daily life. When you use the TV, electric energy is being turned into light energy, sound energy, and heat energy, so that you can actually watch what you're supposed to watch on the television and hear the program that you're watching. And this dog, in order to run, has to convert chemical energy stored inside the food it eats to kinetic energy. Now let's talk about transferring energy. To do work, energy must change. Energy can move from one place to another. This is called energy transferring. Energy can change from one type to another. This is called energy transformation. For example, I can change the chemical energy inside my body to heat energy to keep myself warm. Let's talk about these images about barbecues. Oh God, it's making me hungry already. Anyways, the fuel for the fire, The fuel for the fire here is actually storing chemical energy. The fire is transforming that chemical energy into heat and light energy. That's why fire is hot, because it produces heat energy. The heat energy is then transferred onto the meat, and when heat is transferred onto the meat, it turns cooked and safe to eat. Alright, back into the presentation. Now we're going to get into different types of energy. So there are lots, so I'll go a bit fast. Alright. There's light energy, which is produced by luminous objects. A luminous object is something that gives off light, like a star. Not a star like Justin Bieber, an actual star in the sky in space. Or a light bulb, whatever floats your boat. We have heat energy, which is given out by hot objects, such as fire. We need heat energy to survive, because if it's too cold, we'll die, obviously. And we don't want too much heat energy, or else we will melt. And we have sound energy, which is given off by things that produce sound, like the device you're using to watch the video you're watching right now, or a loudspeaker at a concert. Those things are really loud. We have chemical energy, which is stored in fuels like coal. We use chemical energy as an easy way to store energy. Petrol or diesel for your car is also an example of chemical energy. We have gravitational potential energy, which is a bit hard to explain. Basically, there's a potential that the object could generate energy from gravity, like if you put a rock high up or stand near the edge of a really tall building, it gives you gravitational potential energy. For example, if the rock falls from the high place, it will convert this energy into kinetic energy, because it's fast. And because it's falling, obviously, because of the power of gravity. We also have elastic potential energy, which is quite similar to gravitational potential energy. Basically, if you stretch a rubber band, it will generate elastic potential energy. This will be converted to kinetic energy when you let it go, or when you push a spring down, like squeeze it, it will bounce right back at you. We have kinetic energy, which makes things move. Really simple. Like, I explained it many times already, like something that needs to run has to use kinetic energy. And finally, we have electrical energy, which is energy carried in electricity. Obviously, your computer or mobile phone uses it, your television too. There are many different types of energies out there too. But if you see these types of energy, you should be able to point them out and identify them, because they're really simple types of energy. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed the video about energy. If you learned anything from this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button down below. Although I won't make much content like this, mostly gaming content, so don't really subscribe if you really just want educational content. But See you soon, watchers, and have a good day!